Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between batch and continuous culture. Batch culture. In batch culture, all nutrients are added to the vessel at the start with no further input aside from possibly pH control and antifoaming agent. The system is closed, nothing is added or removed during cultivation except for gases or pH agent. Microorganisms progress through a natural growth cycle such as lag, log, stationary and death phases. The environmental changes over time due to nutrient depletion and water accumulation, so conditions are unsteady. When the process is complete, the whole batch is harvested at once, often for secondary metabolites such as antibiotic. Batch culture are easier to set up, less labor intensive and have a lower risk of contamination but generally produces lower yields. Continuous culture. Nutrients are continuously supplied to the bioreactor and culture broth that is containing cell and metabolite is steadily removed at the same rate keeping the total volume constant. The system is open, fresh input and output allow for constant condition and steady state growth typically maintaining organism in the log phase. Continuous culture for longer operation, higher yield and continuous product removal often used for primary metabolites like amino acid and organic acid. These systems are more complex, require higher investment, increased labor, and have a greater contamination risk, but are highly productive and suited for industrial processes needing a steady output. Difference between batch and continuous culture. First one is system type. In batch it is closed whereas continuous it is open. Second one is nutrient supply. In batch at start only whereas in continuous it should be continuous. And the third one is growth phase. Here all phases occur, that is lag, log, stationary as well as decline phase. Whereas in continuous log phase is maintained. And the fourth one is environment. In batch it changes with time whereas in continuous that is very constant, that is steady state. And the fifth one is product removal. In batch at the end only whereas in continuous it will be continuous. And the seventh one is output or yield. In batch it is lower whereas in continuous it is higher. And the eighth one is application. In batch it is secondary metabolite whereas in continuous it is the primary metabolite. And the ninth one is contamination risk. In batch it is very low whereas in continuous it is high. And the last one is complexity. In batch it is simple whereas in continuous it is complex. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos.